Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to explaining and telling you the great tricks and shortcut keys for your Windows laptop and computer. Yes, you are listening very right. In today's video we are going to sharing with you 5 total great shortcut keys. This is the video part number 1, and if you want to see other videos you can easily check out in the description and I button too, because I have shared too many shortcut keys that you can easily use and enjoy the videos about the Windows. So watch the full video and know that how you can easily do these great tasks by just pressing few keys, and you will start feeling that you are a computer or laptop expert. Yes, you are listening very right. You will gonna become after this video a little bit of expert in your work and about computer and laptop. So watch the video and learn how to do with How to Do It. The first shortcut, the shortcut is that how to open your folders. Yes, many time it happens with us. We go to here on start button, and after that find our folders over here. Now what we can do, we have to just press this over here. You can see this window button and you have to press E. When you press window button and E, you will see instantly in front of you your folder, I mean your my computer has just opened. Like this you can easily open your Windows my computer or laptop, my PC or this PC. So hope you understand that how you can easily open your my computer folder system by just pressing window key and by pressing E. Now if you want to close this folder, yes, we are going to telling you the shortcut number 2, that if you want to close that folder, how you can do it. You can just go to the close button over on the right hand side upper corner, or any other way. Yes, I'm going to telling you about this also, that how you can do so. Now what we have to do, we have to just use our control button and we have to press the W. As you can see over here, I have to press the control and then press the W, and in front of you the folder is just closed. Yes, that is a great trick number 2. I can say it, a shortcut control and W. Now how we can do, and next we are going to telling you the shortcut number 2. Yes, many time it happens with us that we want to go somewhere and want to do some work. Now what we do, we if our system or laptop or computer are open, I mean in on condition, what we do, we always do that we switch it off, I mean shut down it, and after that go to that work. But we come very early and we want to make sure that anyone don't touch our laptop or computer and check out our datas, then we try to do so. So what we should do right now, if we want to just lock for a few minutes, what we can do, we have to just press this window key. This is trick number 3, and we have this button L. We have to click press it, keep pressing this window key, and we have to press the L key. When we press the L key, our system get logged in seconds. Yes, now if anybody want to check it out, it will ask them about your password which is used by you. Hope you understand that how you can lock your system if it's in on condition. Now we are going to telling you the shortcut number 4. Yes, we are going to telling you the shortcut number 4. As you can see in front of you, many files are open over here, and if you want to see the desktop fastly, then we have a option over here in the right corner. This is over here. I am going to telling you that is over here. Yes, in over here you can click it and everything gone. But if you don't do that and you want to do it by your keyboard, what we have to do, we have to just press this window key and press the M. Yes, as you can see in front of, everything is minimized. By this you can easily minimize anything what you want to minimize. Hope you understand that how you can minimize. Just you have to press the window key and M key. Now I'm going to telling you the last and final shortcut key, but keep in mind that don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this, and don't forget to check out in the description and I button. We are sharing too many shortcut keys with you about your Windows system, about your laptop, computer and Word and your internet browser and so on. Now if you want to close any software properly, if we want to close any software properly, then what we have to do, we have to just press this Alt key over here, and then we have to press over here F4. Yes, you are listening very right, we have to press this F4 if we want to close this. We have to just, yes, as you can see the program has been closed. By this we can do it by with any software. Hope you understand that how you can do these things, and if you understand this, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and tell about that how you like this video and don't what do you want to know about this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this, and don't forget to share with your family and friends that they can know how to do these type of works. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.